Hi guys! Today I'm taking you on my journey to the beautiful city of Verona in Italy. Along the way, I'll show you the most famous sites and popular spots and give you some useful tips for your own trip. We have arrived in Verona, a bustling city filled with people and tourists. The weather is fantastic and our day is just beginning. This is the Verona Arena and you can also visit it inside. We won't be going inside today as we have limited time here in Verona, but you can buy tickets and explore the arena from the inside as well. Piazza Bra around the arena is truly beautiful. I fell in love with these colorful houses. They look stunning arranged in a circle like this. Near Piazza Bra or very close to the Verona Arena, there is a beautiful park with many benches where you can sit and enjoy a delicious coffee. We took a break here from walking and soaked in the beautiful surroundings for a few minutes. Next, we headed towards Castelvecchio, also known as the Old Castle. It's the Scaligia Castle in Verona and currently there is also a museum there. We only saw Castelvecchio from the outside since we had just one day in Verona and didn't have enough time to visit the museum. But when I returned to Verona, I plan to stay a few days to enjoy the city at a more relaxed pace. On my next visit, I would also like to explore the museum in Castelvecchio. At Castelvecchio, there is also the Ponte Scaligero or Scaligia Bridge. Here you can enjoy beautiful landscapes and the bridge itself is very picturesque. I'll show you more of that in a moment. On one side of Castelvecchio is the Scaligia Bridge and on the other side you can see the Arco dei Gavi or Gavi Arch. From this vantage point you have a wonderful view of the Scaligia Bridge and can appreciate its full beauty. We then walked towards Piazza della Erba and had a delicious porcini mushroom risotto at a restaurant there. I can highly recommend you this restaurant. On Piazza della Erba, there's also a large market where you can buy fresh fruits, vegetables and souvenirs. Even if you don't plan to eat or shop there, the Piazza della Erba is worth visiting for its beautiful buildings with old architecture and a wonderful fountain. Juliet's house, Casa di Giulietta, is located very close to Piazza della Erba. It's super crowded with many tourists. There's also a house museum you can visit, but it's not the real house of Juliet. It was specially set up to attract tourists and it definitely does that. Next, we continue to the second famous bridge, the Ponte Pietra. Here you have beautiful landscapes and views. I could stay here forever because it's so breathtakingly beautiful. But we need to go on and next we went up to the viewpoint. Here you can admire Ponte Pietra in its full beauty and from here you have a wonderful view of the entire city of Verona. The viewpoint is located at Castel San Pietro and I think it's worth going there to visit the castle as well. But by this point we were already in a bit of a hurry, so we only went up to enjoy the view shortly and then came back down. But I definitely want to go there again. The landscapes and views are simply breathtaking. I recommend it to everyone, even if it's a steep road to get up there, just go slowly, take your time, it's definitely worth it. If you want, you can even have a picnic there. The beauty of the landscape and the breathtaking view make it an absolute must if you're in Verona. In Italy, it's mandatory to eat as much gelato as you can. I'm joking, of course, but you should because it's so good. My sister recommended this gelato shop to me. She had already tried their gelato in another city and urged me to try the pistachio flavor. I must say it's the best pistachio gelato I've ever had. It has such an intense pistachio flavor, simply scrumptious. If you're in Italy and see this gelateria, you should definitely try the pistachio gelato. Also, if you're looking to go shopping during your trip to Verona, the city offers excellent shopping opportunities. There's a wide variety of shops for every taste to discover in the city. I hope you enjoyed my little travel video from Verona. Thank you for watching. Bye bye until next time.